The Starry Night, a name as simple as the awe it inspires. This masterpiece by Vincent van Gogh transcends time. It connects us to something bigger. Painted in 1889, it captures a view from his asylum room window. A small village sleeps under a swirling sky. The stars are alive. They pulse and dance with a cosmic energy. Van Gogh's life was turbulent, much like his paintings. He struggled with mental illness. He faced poverty and rejection. Yet he possessed a unique vision. He saw the world with different eyes. His art wasn't just about capturing reality. It was about expressing the emotions it evoked. The Starry Night reflects this intensity. The brushstrokes are bold, the colors are vibrant, the sky isn't just a backdrop, it's a dynamic force. We are drawn into its depths, we feel the movement, we sense the power of the cosmos. This seemingly chaotic scene, however, holds hidden order. Within the swirling brushstrokes lies a surprising connection, a connection to the complex mathematics of turbulence. Van Gogh, unknowingly, painted a universe in motion. Look closely at the Starry Night. Notice the cypress tree. It reaches for the sky like a dark flame. Its branches, painted with thick, swirling strokes, seem to mimic the movement of the stars above. This is no coincidence. Van Gogh, consciously or not, captured the essence of turbulence. Turbulence is all around us. It's in the swirling smoke from a fire. It's in the crashing waves of the ocean. It's in the very air we breathe. Turbulence seems chaotic, yet it follows a hidden order, a pattern of energy transfer. Large eddies break down into smaller ones. These smaller eddies break down further, creating a cascade of motion. This cascade continues down to the smallest scales. This pattern is echoed in the Starry Night. The large swirls of the sky seem to break down into smaller ones. The stars themselves appear to flicker and dance within this turbulent flow. Van Gogh's brushstrokes, full of energy and emotion, mirror this cascade of motion. He painted a universe in constant flux, a universe where energy flows from the largest scales to the smallest. In the 1940s, a Russian mathematician named Andrei Kolmogorov delved into the heart of turbulence. He developed a theory to describe this seemingly random motion. His work revealed a surprising mathematical relationship within the chaos. Kolmogorov's theory, simplified, describes how energy cascades through different scales in a turbulent flow. It explains how big swirls transfer energy to smaller ones. This transfer continues until the energy dissipates at the smallest scales. This process follows a specific mathematical law known as the 5/3 power law. Kolmogorov's work was groundbreaking. It provided a framework for understanding a phenomenon that had puzzled scientists for centuries. His theory has proven remarkably accurate. It's used today in fields ranging from astrophysics to weather forecasting. But what does this have to do with Van Gogh? Surprisingly, a lot. In the early 2000s, scientists made an astonishing discovery. They found a striking resemblance between the turbulent patterns in Van Gogh's Starry Night and Kolmogorov's theory. Researchers digitized Van Gogh's paintings and analyzed the brightness variations between pixels. They focused on paintings created during periods of intense mental agitation. These paintings, including the Starry Night, exhibited a unique characteristic. The brightness variations followed Kolmogorov's 5/3 power law. This finding was astounding. Van Gogh, a century before Kolmogorov, had unknowingly captured the essence of turbulence in his art. His brushstrokes, fueled by his own internal turmoil, mirrored the mathematical principles governing this complex phenomenon. This discovery wasn't limited to the Starry Night. Other works from Van Gogh's periods of heightened emotion showed similar patterns. His paintings, it seemed, were windows into his mind, windows that also offered a glimpse into the hidden mathematical order of the universe. Van Gogh's ability to depict the complex beauty of turbulence remains a source of wonder. Was it his genius? Was it his suffering? Perhaps it was a unique combination of both. His heightened emotional state might have granted him access to a different way of seeing the world, a world where the boundaries between observer and observed blur, a world where the swirling energy of the cosmos is reflected in the depths of the human soul. The Starry Night stands as a testament to this connection. It reminds us that beauty can emerge from chaos. It challenges us to find order in the seemingly random. It invites us to look beyond the surface and appreciate the intricate patterns that govern our universe, both within and around us. Van Gogh's legacy transcends art. He He reminds us that true genius often walks hand in hand with suffering, and sometimes in the depths of that suffering we find profound truths about ourselves and the universe we inhabit.